ready to go again. There's for Taylor's. I'll go get mine.
What he meant to say was we are starting to pack for Australia since we leave in about a week. Big bully. Take him up the stairs.
Yes, ma'am. Oh. So yeah, 4 bags. They probably won't be super heavy this time because we're only gone for 2 months and the climate in Australia this time of year is not too hard to pack for. It's going to be around, like the lowest it'll get is around freezing up to like 25, 26 degrees Celsius. So not too bad.
That's kind of a range though.
Yeah, but it's not going to like snow on us. We don't need like winter clothes. It's just like cool weather. Okay, an empty slate. Oh, you've already got stuff. So we both have these Samsonite bags with the clasps on them and like a rubber seal around the outside. I've found in my travel experience that these zippers tend to not be the most secure or long lasting. So these clasp suitcases, that one I've had for 9 years traveling around the world, and all I've had to do is replace some wheels, which is really, really easy. Not much of an empty slate anymore. Bags are pretty well packed up. At least this one and that one. My other one still needs some clothes to be put in it. But we fly tomorrow, so things had better start getting packed. We've just did all of the Arrive Australia app and all of that stuff, put in our passport info, checked in for our flights. We have all of the details and info now. So yeah, it's real, it's happening. But yeah, trying to get packed up. All my camera equipment in here. As you can see, got a tripod, gimbal, skates are in there, shoes, boots. So just the essentials. The gimbal takes up quite a lot of space. The thing's huge. But the other bag's for clothes, and yeah, we're getting ready to go.
Good morning. This is the Wednesday before we leave. We leave tomorrow at a 6:20 flight out of London, Ontario. So we are on our way right now to the travel doctors to get our antigen test to get into the US because our flight connects from London to Toronto, Toronto to LAX, and then we go with the group from LAX to Sydney and then on to Adelaide. So we're going to get that right now and run a couple more errands. And we have we're pretty much packed, and our bags are like 38, 40 pounds, which is really good. But then you're just staring at it being like, it's too light, but we're only gone for 7 weeks. So we're just trying to figure out and make sure we have everything. Airport waiting for our bags. This morning was pretty good. Toronto was a little crazy. We had like an hour and a half to do customs and security, which took forever. But we had lots of time. We got our tea and our bagels, and now we're waiting for bags at LAX before our 9-hour layover here. So we'll let you know what we're gonna do because we have no idea.
Got our bags.
Okay. We're gonna go see if we can check in 9 hours early.
Yeah, not likely. I'll follow you.
We tried to go check in for our flight 9 hours early, and that's a no bueno at LAX. So the guy was like, nothing to do, so we got a rental car on the bus on the way to the rental car place. So we're gonna get a rental car and drive around for the next couple hours and get some food. I'm exhausted. That was fast.
That's better. Little change from the airport and rental car place. We drove down to the beach. We grabbed some food at Playa Provisions, which was delicious.
It was really, really good.
And now we're on the beach in California, just for a nice little layover, man. How cool.
Okay, so yeah, we tried to check our bags, and the guy's like, nope, 3 hours before, and we're like, okay, we're 9 hours early.
This was the only option. So now we're just gonna hang out, walk along the beach a little bit.
Why did your voice go like that?
Because I'm really just happy that we're outside in California, and it just feels really cool. Because it'd be like, we're on our way to Australia, but we've got a little California trip in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Highly recommend if you have a 9-hour layover at LAX.
Airplane. Behind you.
We're still really close to the airport, as you can hear. There's an airplane somewhere. Oh, there it is.
We're 4 miles from the airport.
Yeah. All right, well, we're just going to enjoy the beach for a little bit. Oh, carpet. Why do they carpet hotels? It's just rude. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. It's a big window. Little room. Big window. They gave us little cupcakes with Disney on Ice things on them. That's so fun. Look at that. Yeah, not big. It's almost Japan size small. Huh. Well, we made it.
45 hours door to door.
But we're here,
Yeah.
and we've showered, and now we're on the walking street in downtown Adelaide.
Because we need to stay awake and we need foods.
Yeah, so find some food, wander around, explore a little bit, and just enjoy Australia.